Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to plan or decorate a dashboard layout spread in my catch-all, which is the big Happy Planner dashboard layout, and this will be for the week of May 1st through the 7th. I'm going to use this sticker book that I just recently got in one of their, I think it was the April Fool's Day sale. I got the self-care, I guess it was a Be Happy box. So I'm going to use some of the self-care stickers. And then I do have some washi tape picked out. I don't know if I'll actually remember to use the washi tape or even like the washi, but I did go ahead and pick out some colors that kind of match. And so this spread actually says July 2024, if you'll notice, but the reason it says July 2024 is because this big dashboard layout is part of the Happy Planner Spring Release, which is an 18-month planner that starts in July 2023. So I'm kind of redating some of the later months in the planner, in July 2024 matches up with the May spreads that I need. So I do have some stickers picked out that I have on some wax paper here. I want to use like these pink and blue florals. So I think I'm going to go ahead and start with this quote. And of course this quote has gold foiling in it, but I'm okay with that. Let's see, I wonder if I could put, actually I'm going to just put my quote down here. I don't want to have to cut the like this leaf off at the bottom, so I'm going to just kind of put my quote in the bottom of this, like the middle of this bottom part, like that. Okay, and then I didn't really pick out like a whole lot of stickers. I just kind of grabbed a few things that I thought maybe that I could use. So now let's go up here to my top corner where I kind of normally always start. And let's flip to these stickers in the sticker book and kind of see what I can choose to go up here in this top corner. I almost feel like I kind of want to start with like a leaf, because if you've followed me for long, you know that I don't like to have my corners empty. So if I kind of start with a leaf, no, I'm going to scratch that already right off the bat. I'm scratching that idea. Put that there. I'm actually going to start with this blue sticker. Now, I'm not going to white out like the tasks or anything like that. Just not going to go there. Just because I don't have to. Alright, so let's put one of these because it matches the little floral down there that we used. And I do want to use this one because it has some gold foiling in it, and the quote that I want to use on the next page has gold foiling. So I think I want to kind of maybe use that there. And let's see. I don't think I have a lot of these stickers with the foiling. That's like a whole different color scheme with the gold foil in it. So yeah. Okay, alright, so we're going to stick with that, and then maybe I'll take one of these little ones here and just kind of put down here. Just so we kind of have this color on both sides. Alright, so let's go ahead and cut that, and then I will definitely save the pieces that I cut off the edges. Uh-oh. Because I may be able to use those somewhere else in the spread. Okay. And so I was actually planning on doing a Happy Planner Simply spread in the new Simply layout, but that planner doesn't start until July. And in my opinion, there are not enough months in the planner to go ahead and start it now. Like so whenever I start like right now, I'm using, it's actually an 18-month planner, so I'm redating some of the future 2024 months. But the Simply Layout planner is only a 12-month planner, and so I don't want to redate. Like, it makes it a lot harder to redate when you don't actually have enough months at the back end of the planner. So that kind of scratched the whole idea of me doing some plan with me's with the Simply Layout. So I guess I'm gonna just kind of have to wait till closer to July to use that planner. I don't know. Y'all let me know in the comments if you figured out a way, because I mean, like, I could redate it, but then I would have to use months that would actually only make it, I don't even know, like, it wouldn't be a full 12-month planner. Whereas you can buy an 18-month planner, redate it, or not redate it, but you can repurpose some of the months, you know, at the end of the planner or the back end of the planner, and still have a 12-month planner. But with the Simply Layout, if I do that, you're not going to have a 12-month planner. So I kind of didn't really want to almost like waste the whole planner just to show you guys, like, plan with me videos. I don't know. Y'all let me know. What are you doing with your Simply Layouts? Are you waiting to start that layout, or I don't know. I don't know what to do, honestly. I don't know if I should go ahead and do plan with me's and like redate, or wait until July gets here. I mean, they did send me 2, but I kind of don't want to mislead somebody into redating a planner and then not being able to use it for a whole year, because if it's only a $20 planner, then if you can't use it for a whole year, then you're going to have to buy another planner, and then you've just basically spent the money that you would spend on a normal Happy Planner. So y'all let me know. What do you think? Should I go ahead and do just some mock videos, mock spreads of that Simply Layout? I don't know. I don't know what to do. So anyways, they have these weekly challenge stickers in the self-care sticker book, and I thought they were really cute, so I can always challenge myself on a number of things. So I figured that would be kind of cute to stick down here in this looking ahead section. I think I'm going to put this little flower down here. I think it'll be cute. Oh, if I can get it kind of lined up straight. So I mentioned that in a couple of my videos that I had some exciting things coming in May, but I honestly don't think that they're going to be things that you guys expected. I had a couple people, like Elizabeth, she tried to guess what I was doing, and I don't think that what I actually have going on is going to be what you guys are expecting me to have going on. But I guess that's why it's a surprise, right? So, anywho, it's almost May, so I'm almost ready to tell you guys what I got going on. But we'll wait just a little bit longer. I'm going to cut this leaf off here. I'm trying to kind of watch in the background the Ganon's trial. Because if you guys haven't been following me long, you know that 𝗟𝗔𝗙𝗘𝗥, the little boy who was murdered by his stepmom in 2020, that family is, they're right down the road from me. That's my church family, my original church family that I grew up in church with over the last many years. And Gannon, I remember when Gannon was born, when his mom was pregnant with him, and so all those things. So like Gannon is near and dear to my heart. So I'm actually on my iPad trying to kind of watch. I've been watching the trial. Ugh, it's a whole situation. So yeah, just watching Gannon or watching the trial and waiting for her to get the justice that Gannon so very well deserves. Okay, so I kind of decorated around the weekly challenges there, and then I think all I'm going to do is I want to put some of these circles. So I found these circle stickers also in that sticker book, and I thought that it would be cute just to kind of, I don't know what I'm going to use these for, but I just thought it would be cute to have some circles somewhere in the spread. So yeah, those are cute too. maybe we can come off of the circles with a couple little stickers. Let's see if we can maybe do this one. Yeah, let's pick up this circle here. Yeah, that's really cute. And I think we should take another one and come down here. So maybe this bigger one. Let's try it and see what happens. Kevin and I went this past weekend. We went to Joann and Michael's, and I picked up 3 or 4 more sticker books, stuff that I didn't really need, but I bought anyways. Because, you know, retail therapy. It always makes you feel better to buy a sticker book, right? But yeah, so I'm excited to use those sticker books in some of my videos. Now I kind of feel like, oh, I feel like this needs to move over some. I'm going to pick this up just a tad and move this over. And then I feel like I need another one on the other side. And I just ripped that circle. But it is what it is. I may have to grab another circle out of my book to make myself feel better about ripping that. But no, it laid down pretty good, so I think I'm okay. But I am going to try to pick this circle up, put under there, and then I want to put this box over top of that leaf. Okay, like that. And then I kind of think I need another blue one over here. So we're going to take this small blue one and put it down over here. I just think it'll be cute that way. But yeah, so I'm excited about using my new sticker books. Not that I didn't already have enough Happy Planner sticker books, and not like I can't make my own stickers, but you know, that's how I roll. What is that? I think is that a misprint in that sticker book? I mean, in that sticker? I don't like that. It's not like a tear that I did. But I think I am going to replace it. I think it's a misprint or something. I don't know. But I'm going to replace that circle sticker because I don't like that. So we'll just grab this one. Oh, I see what it is. Well, dang. I don't really need to replace it, but I'm going to. It's actually like the center of a bloom. If you see that. Because I thought that this was a misprint, but it's not. So anyways. Okay, so, all right, oh well, that's my bad. All right, you guys, I think I'm going to finish decorating the spread off camera because it looks like, we're going back to the attorneys talking in the case, and I want to hear what they have to say, and this is a live stream. So I'll come back at the end whenever I'm finished, and we'll go over the spread. So far, I'm loving this page, though. So I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay, you guys, so I think I'm finished with this spread. I did end up using my washi, and I'm pretty happy with the way it turned out. So I think that's it for this video. You guys let me know in the comments below if you like how it turned out. Tell me if you have the Happy Planner Self-Care sticker book. I really like the colors in this book. So yeah, that is it. I hope that if you did enjoy this video, you'll give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and make sure you're following me over on Instagram and TikTok as well. So that is it. I will see you guys on my next video. Thank y'all so much for watching. Bye, guys.